DoD.
Yeah, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Woodstock, and I'm back with another video. Hey, y'all already know, guys. Check this out. We done did the stage 2 cam. We got the long tools coming. I'm supposed to be dropping them on the 15th, which is this Friday, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that as well. But I've been getting so many messages in my inbox and things like that, so I wanted to address that, man. People asking me, is it worth doing the DoD? Guys, I'm gonna tell you like this here. You know, I started off, I had the little range, and that allowed it, you know, to keep the vehicle running in V8 mode. You know, it stopped it from going into V4 mode, guys. So I rode around with that for maybe like 9 months, you know, and it was good. I had no problems with it at all. But in the back of my mind, I knew what I wanted to do, man. I knew I wanted to drop a cam in the world. And so I took advantage of the situation just by dropping the cam in it. So this video is gonna be to answer y'all question. You know, is it worth dropping the cam or doing the DoD? To your GMCs, your Tahoe, Suburban. And I'm gonna answer, it's gonna be pretty simple, man. My answer is like, yes, man. I'm gonna give you the reasons, you know. There's so many reasons. You can feel the power. It shifts so smooth, guys. And plus you don't have to worry about things like the lift is failing over the course of time. Now I know a couple of y'all out there that might jump in the comments and say y'all had y'all trucks for so many miles and it's still going, you know. Well, good for y'all. But they got people out there, man, that get these trucks and ride them maybe 5,000-6,000 miles, which is like maybe one oil change, and they have a lifter problem. So from me to you, I would say, man, hey, start by, if you don't have the money to get it done, start by, man, you can tune it out, guys. Y'all can tune it out. You know, you go to your little tuner places, it may cost like $150, maybe $200 just to tune it out. You can buy the range like I did, you know, say for y'all that probably like, some of y'all may don't own y'all cars and maybe paying car notes. So y'all can buy the range. But if you own a vehicle, man, you can just pull up to the tuner and just have them to tune it out. And if you got the extra cash, hey, I got the link in the description. Y'all can jump down there, man, and order y'all one of them DoD kits. You know, put whatever stage y'all want in there. I'm running the stage 2. Factory style. Like I say, I get the long tools put on this Friday, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, and y'all know every time I do something crazy, I will give y'all before and after. So look, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start of how it is with just the cam and the exhaust. And then Friday, I'm gonna bounce back, you heard me? And I'm gonna give y'all another cold start, how it is with the long tools. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna drop all the links in the description and everything like that. But other than that, guys, if you're new to the channel, man, just watching the videos, I appreciate it if you jump down, man. Most definitely like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, this is your #1 Tahoe channel, yeah, on YouTube, and I stand on that, you know. But other than that, man, I'm gonna grab my keys, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the little cool stuff, and I'm gonna pop my hood up, and I'm gonna show y'all how it is up under the hood. Y'all stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so look, check it out. I told y'all I'm gonna give y'all this cold start with the stage 2 cam. Here we go. And like I said, man, I go in for she going for surgery this Friday. She going for surgery this Friday, guys. Get the long tools on it, and I will be, you know, giving y'all another cold start. Let her idle real quick. Y'all will hear the little chop. Like I said, man, I think it'll be in my description. I went with the Brian Tooley Racing Stage 2, full DoD. Shout out to my boy Lachonas LSX. You know, he got me real right. That's who's gonna do my headers. And bad. It cut off because I opened the door. But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all up under here, guys, and let y'all see how it is. And like I say, I'm gonna start it back up because I actually wanted to, you know, a couple of you guys, man, been asking me how it sound under the hood. So that's what I'm gonna do. Give me a second. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all see, man, how it is up under here. Let y'all hear, man, we don't have no exhaust leaks or nothing like that, guys. Man, shout out to my boy Lachonas one more time, man. I'm gonna keep shouting you out, you know what I'm saying? Yes, Sirski. And if y'all in the DFW area, man, y'all looking for any performance work, man, y'all get on IG and check out Lachonas LSX, guys. Y'all jump in the comments, y'all let them know that the wolf stop here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go to YouTube, check out Jack Stands. What is it? Jack Stands Bills. Y'all check them out as well, man. Y'all go get them a follow, jump down in their comments, and let them know, man, that the wolf stop here as well. But other than that, guys, you know, I just made this little video today just to answer a couple of questions that I've been getting. And I'm gonna rev it, but I don't want to rev it in front of my house, guys. You know, I don't want my neighbors looking at me strange. But I'm gonna say that for maybe I'll probably do like a short. I'm gonna just say that for another video. But up until then, man, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all remember, positive lives spread positive vibes, folks. So until another video, we gonna see y'all again. Gone.